Welcome to episode 7 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
We needed some R&R, so we took a vacay.
But now we're ready to get back to the garden and see how it's doing.
Okay, let's get out of here and check out the garden.
Buckle up!
Lift off!
How's it looking, Rotten?
You're looking good, Ripe. Did you get a stem cut?
I meant the garden, Rotten.
Oh, right. Looks great.
All right. Ready to measure up? Let's see how much our plants have grown and compare them to last time.
Oh, snap. 47 inches tall.
Wow! So last time we measured, our tomato plant was 34.5 inches tall. Whoa! That's 12.5 inches in 2 weeks.
Meanwhile, check out the zucchini plant.
Our zucchini plant is 6 inches taller and it's 10.5 inches wider. And the pepper plant is 1 inch taller with 4 buds and a baby pepper.
Aw, they're so cute. I could just pinch those chubby little cheeks.
How are your plants doing at home? We want to know.
So we're having a contest.
Submit a photo of one of your plants to sales@sierranaturalscience.com and we'll pick 3 winners and announce them next time.
And the best part is the winner gets a prize.
Of course!
Ripe, tell them what they win.
A free pint of 209.
So get your cameras ready and send your pictures to sales@sierranaturalscience.com.
Hey, it's that time again. Time to grab our grow kit. This week, we're ready to move on to the bloom phase. Thanks, helping hands.
All right, looks like that's it.
We'll be back next week to see how much they've grown and check for any pests or disease and to mix and water in the 5-star recipe.
And you can do the same at home.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit sierranaturalscience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.